Everyone. It's nice to be here. My name is Aisha Imam.
Yeah, my name is Prudence Kairanga.
I am TJ, Tristan Joseph Alcantara.
I'm Tara Angan.
My name is Fergosh, which is Gregory.
Hello, I'm Emma.
My name is Leo König.
Sarah Neukirchen.
My name is Kostika Santi.
My name is Helena Faustina, and you can call me Helen.
My name is Soyeon Cho.
Hello, my name is Hansu Kim.
I'm Megumi Malyari.
My name is Nats Kobura.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Michael Alvarado.
Hey, everybody. My name is Swame.
I'm Akanksha Davrianam.
Hey, everyone. I'm Juan.
Hi, my name is Channing Lee.
Hey, everyone. My name is Thomas Reuter.
Hi, I'm Karen from Lebanon.
Hello, my name is Jamal Islami.
What does it mean to be a global citizen? In a world increasingly divided along national, ideological, religious, racial, cultural, and other lines, how can we as citizens make a positive difference?
During the 2021-2022 academic year, the Global Citizenship Fellows Program brought together 31 students at 19 Jesuit institutions for a series of Zoom dialogues on the idea and practice of global citizenship. Fellows deepen their knowledge on a range of topics, including care for each other and our common home, economic and social rights, and global governance.
A conversation on climate change really struck me as we discussed the root cause of why there is no immediate action taken to curb this negative change. And one of the reasons being, climate change is not tangible, easily visible, or directly affecting all the segments of the society.
Conversation I found really interesting was one I had with Karen, Channing, and Rogers back in November. It was about how the vaccination campaign in our countries was developing. It was amazing to see us truly concerned about the access to the vaccine worldwide.
During a session, we were all sharing about how our own countries needed to build upon intergenerational solidarity so that the older and younger generations can come together to build a better future for the generations that will follow after us.
There was a fascinating discussion about how to create intergenerational solidarity. But for me, it was fantastic to encounter young people like me all sharing the idea of good leadership, recognizing human dignity, and of course building a system that favors intergenerational and international solidarity.
One conversation that I was interested in was the practical ways to build a culture of encounter. We can start it from the low level, such as certain groups and communities, then it can be bigger. Also, we can expand it to an international level by creating it a dialogue, then organizing something to have the possibility of an encounter through activism. However, we should realize that the fundamental way to build a culture of encounter is education, because people need to be educated and understand the differences in culture, race, gender, religion.
As a Muslim student in a different country, and in a Christian school, I was treated with love, given all the support, and I was also added to different committees in the school without any discrimination.
I hadn't known much about how the religious community contributes to enhancing each other's perspectives, but after hearing the sessions about such as Abu Dhabi Agreement, I could realize that how the religious communities actually overcome the differences among religions.
We convened 6 times over Zoom for structured conversations around topics related to global citizenship. Before each session, we watched pre-recorded lectures, read a select group of readings, and reflected on 2 core questions. Most of the Zoom sessions were spent in small discussion groups of 6 to 8 students from diverse countries and regions of the world. We are now coming together in Boston to continue our conversations in person. As you'll hear from our fellows, the opportunity to engage in conversations with their global peers has led to increased action at their home institutions and in their local communities. Our fellows are not just talking about intergenerational solidarity or climate migration or refugee support. They are actively involved in seeking and promoting sustainable solutions.
At Sanata Dharma University, I involved in climate change issue. I have been initiating the climate change movement in simple ways, such as educating, planting, and reducing a daily carbon footprint. Ultimately, we must realize and act because we have single mission to protect and pass on the planet to the next generation.
My university, as well as other organizations and individuals, are trying to help refugees coming to Poland in various ways. Organizing accommodation, charity collections, or language classes are just a few ways of helping people in need. As a Global Citizenship Fellow, I believe that the tragedy that happened to the Ukrainian people should be an important topic of discussion and activities related to global citizenship.
There's over 1 million Venezuelans in Peru only. Most of them are in an illegal situation and are forced to take underpaid jobs. I always question the stereotypes my society has on them. Like, try to listen to their stories and give them some advice about life and people here.
Lastly, I believe conversations and dialogues like Global Citizenship Fellowship will lead to awareness and need for global citizenship, making everyone responsible for their actions and making this common home of ours a better place to live in.
I really think that education is key, and if we are getting to a better standard of a worldwide good education, this would be a great start for well-functioning global citizenship.
Talking about global citizenship requires a kind of collective consciousness and responsibility of all individuals. I really enjoy being part.
The Global Citizenship Fellows Program of the International Association of Jesuit Universities is a unique effort to galvanize a global conversation among young people around the global challenges we all face, everything from climate change and public health to development, peace, and security. To help prepare a new generation of citizens and leaders to serve the common good. To strengthen the Jesuit network of some 200 institutions of higher learning around the world. And to really exemplify and embody what Pope Francis calls a culture of encounter, a productive space for sharing diverse perspectives in a spirit of mutual respect.